Hi, my name is Michael Mosiman.
Hi, I'm Brice Phillips, and this is 5 Questions with Michael Mosiman. Favorite track or city and why?
San Diego. It's beautiful. It's right there on the water, and it's my first win, so always special.
What's the best or unexpected compliment a fan has ever given you?
Honestly, anytime someone's like, "Oh, I've been following your whole career, like you're crushing it," I think it's always super special.
That's awesome, yeah. When you show up to the farm to train, what's the last thing that you want to see?
Ooh, rain.
Yeah, me too.
Rain.
Me too.
Yeah, just absolutely
Yeah.
muddy, rainy. It's just gonna be hard to have a productive day, and we're probably not gonna have a productive day.
Yeah, a little bit more work for me.
Especially on
too.
Supercross. I mean, you just going home.
Weirdest thing you've had to autograph?
I autographed a full door one time, and I would say that was pretty strange.
Who is the funniest rider on the team?
Probably me, I would say. Not all my jokes are actually, any good. Like they don't, I'd say I probably have like a 40% landing, but even when I don't land the jokes, it's still funny. So people are laughing either with me or at me.
This has been 5 Questions with Michael Mosiman. Thanks for watching.